Ari miaka 10 kuma riria wathani wa matura wambiriirie, muoroto wa kigomano giki ugakorwo kirongoreria moguni maria maumanite na thirikari cia matura nginyanagia na riu. Kiharo-ini kia Eldoret Sports Club kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu nikuo kigomano giki gigatafanirio. Muikariri giti wa Kanju ya mangabana Ann Waiguru agikira mukonde meharirie mothe ni marikiriirie ari ciumia 2 mbere ya kigomano giki.
We wish to confirm to the country that the Council of Governors, together with its partners, has concluded the planning process for the Devolution Conference 2023, whose theme is 10 years of devolution, the present and the future.
Nono fururi ugikũngũagĩra miaka 10 ya wathani wa matura, Waiguru uria waritie ari hamwe na magavana angi nionanitie kwaga kwiganira na honge imwe thirikari-ini nene iria ikoretwo igikinyaniria matua itegukuruhania thirikari cia kaunti.
We note with concern the continuous attempts by national government departments, ministries and agencies to claw back on devolution from time to time, especially on devolved functions such as markets, housing, lighting, water, provision of fertilizer and seeds in the agricultural sector.
Kuringana na Waiguru, uyu ni undu ukoretwo kihotomia mirutire yao ya wira, akimenereria ruhonge rwa utamburukia wa mahinya thirikari-ini nene ni kuhitukia mawatho mamwe makonie counties hatari kwamukira mawoni mao.
The council notes that the State Department of Devolution reviewed the County Government Act 2012 without the involvement of the county government. Yet this is a critical legislation in the implementation of devolution.
Dereti konie mendekithia magwika mogaruruku watho wigie thirikari cia kaunti wa mwaka wa 2023. Kanju ino yugite mendekithia maya ni marabatara kurorwo weru, ikiranira gutemania mendekithia mayo mbere ya itemanitio bunge-ini.
We note that there is need to undertake a more comprehensive review of the act to address the emerging issues in the course of its implementation. Since the advent of devolution, we will in due course send the proposed draft amendments for consideration.
Mendekithia-ini maya, Senator wa Nandi Samson Cherargei endekithitie gikiro kia itumi cia kuhagura minister a county kia Batirio, akienda wingi wa MCAs aria marabatarania kuhagura ma minister aya mongererwo kuma gicunji kia 1/3 nginya gicunji kia 2/3. Giribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.